Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, Bitcoin broke above the yellow horizontal line at 103,400, peaking at 104,300, before falling back below the same level. Since then, price has been ranging just under it for nearly 24 hours, averaging around 102,900. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, despite a red dot flashing on the wave trend indicator, the money flow remains green. Heikin-Ashi candles are still printing green as well. This suggests the upside momentum has not been broken and may still carry potential continuation. Zooming out, both the 12-hour and daily charts paint an even stronger picture. These timeframes indicate that this recent pump might not be a top, but rather the early phase of a broader rally still unfolding. On the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can observe an influx of high-leverage short positions opening up right around current levels. A hot pocket of liquidity is forming around 104,400, just above today's peak of 104,300. If Bitcoin decisively reclaims and breaks through 103,400, a swift liquidation of the upper range shorts is likely. Watch for a clean sweep from 104,400 up to 105,200. However, keep an eye out for the possibility of a retest lower after that. The heat map still shows warm clusters of liquidity around 102,000, 1,200, both of which could act as temporary magnets for price. One interesting data point is that the ETF inflow on the 8th, when Bitcoin smashed through the psychological barrier of 100,000, was relatively low. Total inflow recorded was just 117.4 million, which is quite unusual given the price action. In more bullish macro news, Bitcoin officially flipped Google in terms of market capitalization, becoming the 6th most valuable asset in the world. This milestone adds weight to the narrative of institutional adoption and long-term value recognition. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.